Hello there, Richie Vitale here, and I want to talk to you about some recent birds I captured. One of them being Flaco, the Eurasian eagle owl that escaped from the Central Park Zoo, and I captured this bird on eastern Central Park. It was a 10-second shot, and I'm super excited about it. Secondly, I took pictures of the killdeer bird, and this was during an engagement on Governor's Island, and I was playing music there and figured I'd bring my camera, and I got low on the ground to capture these pictures, and I'm really super happy with them. And there's really nice out of focus background. And thirdly, I take bicycle trips to Randall's Island often, and that's the eastern side of Manhattan. At 103rd Street, there's a pedestrian bridge, and you cross over, and it's just the most beautiful place. And they have marshes there, and there were 4 egrets, and I happened to capture these pictures. So please enjoy. It's hard to believe that all this beauty and nature is within walking distance of my home in New York City. But Central Park, Randall's Island, Governor's Island, Jamaica Bay Refuge, and other areas are absolutely necessary for the survival and breeding habits of our feathered friends. This is the shot of Flaco, the escaped Eurasian eagle owl, and it was a 10-second exposure. I'm really proud of this shot, and I took it from the Olympus OMD EM1, a brand new used camera I purchased. Then I carefully cropped the picture into a vignette, and I placed it on the cups and t-shirts. And here's the finished product on a men's t-shirt in heather black color. And here's what Flaco looks like on a beautiful coffee tea mug. What a thrill it was to capture the killdeer bird on Randall's Island. I felt especially fortunate to see 3 or 4 of these birds at a time instead of just one as usual. And here's another shot of the killdeer bird. Notice the sharp eye and the bokeh, the blurred background. And one of my personal favorites, the great egret. If you'd like to take any of these beautiful birds home with you, I'll leave a link below for you to peruse.